Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to as well. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can do a cornrow. I know it may look as difficult as it sounds, but it's actually not that difficult. So basically what I was doing here is sectioning the part where I want my cornrow to lay. So when it comes to doing this on a dummy, I prefer having curved lines. Because the beginning of a dummy's hair, it just looks very unnatural. It looks very fake. So I like to curve it so it's more visible and it's more defined. So yeah, that's what I was doing here. Okay, so if you are a beginner, after you've sectioned out the place where you're going to put your cornrow, you'll just have to section that piece where you start your cornrow, and then you separate it into 3 pieces, as you can see. So now, basically, what you do is you take the piece that's on your right hand, you pick the one that's on the left, and the middle stays up. You do the same thing. You take the left, you pick the right, and as you go, you pick up some hairs on your way. Maybe let me just slow this down a bit. Okay, now this is a more slower version. So what you do is you take the right piece, you go under the middle, you pick the other piece, and you add on some hair extension onto the cornrow, and you add it to the middle piece. And you do the same. You pick the one on the right, you grab the one on the left, the middle stays up, and then you continue with the same thing. You grab the left, you go to the right, you pick the right. Yeah, so basically it's just a repetition of the same thing, and then you pick the hair, you put it in the middle piece. Yeah.